Did you know that the textile industry is the second most polluting industry in the world, with over 20 billion garment pieces being thrown every year? AlaVera Fashion aims to be the central garment upcycling workshop, turning discarded material into products of higher quality and value than the originals. How do we do it? First, we are your friend. Intent is to reach out to the individual and simply not let him just throw clothes away. Instead, put our brand name on the map for anyone to come refashion and repurpose old clothes. Offer our help to tie-dye, patchwork, print and save old clothes. Also putting a smile on people's face and taking care of the environment. Second, we are society's friend. We want to be a neighboring place for everybody to come and donate old clothes. We then remodel the given pieces and with it resolve children's homes of the trouble of rejecting donations for the clothes not being sterilized first. And also save the individual of the same process.
And AlaVera Fashion Workshop can make the donation process much easier.
Third, we will teach you. Let's open our door for the entire Generation Z to learn how to upcycle clothes, make workshops for anyone interested to see firsthand how it's done. Let's also recruit every young talent chasing their dream to become a designer, all of it with the support of the Academy.
We are professors and assistants from the Faculty of Textile Technology, and we would love to share our knowledge and experience from the magical world of textiles.
We are now the fashion downtown, with our own talents, with our own eco-collection, setting the new fashion to what was up until now only a non-profit zone, the waste garment.